side, do the same thing. Right now I'm using a 14-inch ratchet to get these two, to get all three of the bolts off. Rebroke it. Make sure I don't use this, because then these might need the same bolts I need. Getting this bracket off is going to be a pain. Screwing it off. Taking off still. That shouldn't be as complicated with it. All that's the brake fluid. Wash my hands. With a hammer. That's all I need. All I should need is one good whack with the hammer, and that's me. the box body. And he did this one much better without breaking it. Without breaking the piston. So I respect that. I can still use the brake parts off these actually too. The brake parts, they got a bunch of meat on it, I think. But I'll just buy my own new pair of brake parts. And then to test them out. These brakes look hard. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm coming out back out here, take all this off. Oh, the whole hub come off. Perfect. And right here, the hub look like it came off a little bit too. Yeah. Perfect. So guys, wait. I'll even do a video of me spraying, sanding it down, spraying it. That'd be a good video. Sanding it down, spraying them red, and probably putting Brembo or something custom on it, you know, make it look good. Cause, you know, I prefer bigger brake pads, cause it's a Mustang. See, huh? Please, my battery ain't dead. If my battery ain't dead, y'all can hurt. Yeah, buddy. So, you know, gotta put a brake pads on. So, I have my radio I had to put in. Got to wire it. My neighbor's supposed to be up to me a while. Because, you know, I wouldn't say I'm not familiar with radio wiring, but hey, I learned. Yeah, buddy. But so guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit post notifications for when I upload more cool videos, you know, and follow me in my journey in my Mustang build. Peace.